And it is Friday evening, folks, and well, in a little bit, a few minutes, the work week will be over for most folks. We're looking outdoors with our Sinlaw Broadcasting tower cams. Thank those folks, those cams, and we see a little traffic moving on Texas Street. Some high clouds in the sky, mostly sunny, and likewise 77 degrees. So a pleasant day. Humidity's low, 40 dew point, and so yeah, there's some chill in the atmosphere for tonight. And I think the models are a little bit warmer than they should be in our forecast. So I undercut the models on your low temperatures for tonight. Gina, you're 80 degrees, some high cloudiness there, good visibility, and it is a delightful day, as they say. Satellite and radar showing surface high pressure in control of things. Notice these high clouds sneaking in from the southwest. That is what you're seeing on the tower cams. And many times those are the first indications. Sometimes the changes are days away. But those high clouds, you can see, are actually springing up. A little bit of a moisture tap springing up in response to this big system setting off the Pacific coast. And so eventually that will be a significant weather maker, I think, for this country and the plains especially. So looking ahead for today, we've got the system still lingering up east. So we're kind of between weather systems. This is the one that caused all the problems with the rain, big rains, a lot of flood warnings, several tornadoes in this region from that. But it's out of here. We're on the backside of it. And next system is well out to the west, and it's not impacting us just yet. So look ahead into Saturday. So the next system comes onshore in the west. We're fine here. It's a nice day. And then Saturday, there's some lingering effects still in that particular area. That system not in any hurry to get through there either. Brought 3 days of rain here, so it's going to kind of do the same thing to those folks. And by Sunday, still a peaceful weather pattern for us as the system out west begins to cast its eyes further to the east into the plains, and will bring some weather changes for us. Futurecast for Saturday. This is again the system I just pointed out west. In 2 days, in 48 hours, let's track the GFS model and its forecast to that energy. So you can see it moving through the southwest into the Rockies and setting up in the central plains right there. We see some dynamics associated with that coming in to our particular area. The flow kind of accelerates and picks up just a bit. So there is an influence from this system on our weather pattern that we will feel early next week. Probably the main thing is it will open up the Gulf once again, because this creates low pressure in this area, higher pressure to the south, and so that drives the wind in from the Gulf of Mexico, and that is why these the Gulf moisture opens up as these systems come in from the west. So on that trek, it will stir up a severe weather, potentially a severe weather outbreak across the plains. I think most of that holds to the north of us. I have a couple of outlooks for you in just a bit. And then another change as we see by Friday night, say Thursday night, early Friday morning, the flow turns out of the north, straight out of the north here across the northern United States. And that is going to help bring another cold front into our forecast. So severe weather outlook as that system from the west coast lifts out. The first day will be Monday, as we see potential for severe weather well to the west of us, extending from west central Texas all the way up into the Corn Belt. And then that pattern will move with the system. And we get a little tail down here into northeast Texas. We have to watch those tails with these type systems that are well to the north of us because, yeah, they're not as energetic dynamically, but it's warmer, more humid, and there's more instability down this way than there might be up in this particular area. So once in a while, these tails will produce a marginal risk of severe weather. Can't rule out a rogue severe thunderstorm or something like that. If that happens to us, it would be probably on the PM Tuesday, AM Wednesday time frame right there. And then that system will kind of run out of gas, if you will. All right, coming back into our area, let's sum it all up with your 7-day forecast. A beautiful day for Saturday. Another cool start, though, but a few degrees warmer than it was this morning. We averaged 46. I'll say we'll average 48 in the morning, 82 for your high. Sunday, 55, so the night's beginning to warm up, 60 for Monday. And you know what that means. The humidity is going to increase. As I said, that's all about the Gulf opening up and that moisture moving through central Louisiana. 66 Tuesday, 69 for Wednesday, and 68 for Thursday. So a rash of those readings there are early June, late May, that time period. No big organized rain chances though. Daytimes are high, and those rain chances about 20% p.m. and 20% a.m. in Tuesday, Wednesday time frame. As that system out west kind of makes its initial move to the north, we'll probably get a little break in the rain chances until maybe sometime late Thursday when we do have that little cold front, which is going to be coming through, and it will move the rain chances to about 20 to 30% in that time frame. Highest rain chance I've got on the map here is a 30% on Friday, and that'll actually kind of be behind the front, and it will turn cooler. You see a little temperature difference there. So we got a little bit of spring-like and summer-like temperatures there, about 85 and 86. That's not too far from 90, folks, and those nights are warming up with the moisture. All right, we'll try to update you again for tomorrow and see what's happening compared to what we saw for today. So appreciate you watching this and being with us. And as